Did you know that insurance can make or break your home purchase? Many believe affordable insurance is available for everyone, but that's not always the case. Let's explore how insurance guidelines have shifted dramatically in recent years. Understanding insurance restrictions is crucial for home buyers. One major factor is the age and condition of the roof, which can significantly impact insurance options. Let's delve into why this matters. The roof on any home is the single most important protector against water damage. Increased claims and inflationary pressures have caused record payouts from insurance companies. New guidelines are put in place to slow down the bleeding. Some companies are placing age restrictions on shingled roofs, which reduce choice and opportunity for affordable insurance for your buyers. Claims history plays a pivotal role in determining insurance premiums. Both the buyer's and the home's past claims can influence costs. It's essential to be aware of this when purchasing a home. Realtors should request a claims history report from an independent insurance agent like the Robert Hufty Agency, Goosehead Insurance. This can provide additional bargaining power for the buyer, as well as verifying any previous damage was done by professionals. Personal insurance scoring is another critical factor. This score can affect your coverage options and premiums. Insurance scores are similar to credit scores. It simply measures the risk associated with the insured. Different carriers can grade clients differently. This can create a big margin in price if your buyer ends up with the wrong insurance company. Having more insurance options is your best defense against restrictive guidelines. The Robert Hufty Agency offers access to over 40 carriers, ensuring you find the best coverage for your needs. They know how to navigate the maze of options to find your clients the very best company, coverage, and price, so your clients don't have to. Discover niche options that prevent delays or cancellations in your home purchase transactions by working with the Robert Hufty Agency, Goosehead Insurance. Our primary focus to educate your buyer and become a better insurance owner allows us to help manage their financial protection for a very long time. Recap: understanding insurance guidelines is vital in home buying. By exploring multiple insurance carriers, you can secure the best policies and avoid potential pitfalls, delays, or transaction fallout. Contact the Robert Hufty Agency today to ensure your home buying process is smooth and successful. We even provide a video quote link for you to share with your clients. Check it out yourself. Let's work together to create a team-based transaction for all of your clients.